Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, with me Ivan Florentino Ramirez. And for today's video, I'm close to completing this tiny sketchbook, so I'm drawing some capybaras. So I drew this capybara family using cheap ballpoint pens. I think this brand is the Bic ballpoint pens. I used 3 to 4 different ones. Some of them are new, some of them are a lot older. But yeah, I've been filling out this sketchbook with just ballpoint pens, and I'm trying to see what I can do in terms of textures and value and how I can create realism and different styles as well. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hit the like button, ring the bell, and leave a comment. Let's get to it. So for the reference photo, I found a high resolution capybara family on Google, and I just have it here on my phone right next to me. And because I like to practice using animals and also pop culture, I just thought it'd be cool to draw something that's very furry. And recently in social media, there's been a lot of capybara related things, a lot of videos. So I decided to just do these cuddly capybaras with some babies here walking around in some muddy water. And if you guys haven't drawn with ballpoint pens, I feel like it's a cool looking between black and middle gray tones, depending on the amount of pressure that you put on the pen. And I thought it turned out really cool. So I was going for realism here, and what was cool is when I outlined this after I drew a light pencil sketch, I started drawing the fur, and this didn't take me too long. This was under 20 minutes that I did, and this is just something that I like to do to keep my art practice up and just challenge myself to draw different things like animals, and especially something that has so much detail like fur. And obviously I'm not going to draw every single strand of hair, but this is just something that you guys can practice with so you can get to know how volumes of hair would work on an animal. And it turned out really cool. I felt like the details were spot on, and it was a great challenge for me to do. And just a quick tip, I like to start off darkening the darkest shadows. For example, the eyes, the legs, you can see where the cast shadows are, where light does not hit, and then work my way from there into the middle tones, and then leave the sketch paper, whatever color it is, alone, and that will be our highlights as well. But yeah, leave a comment in the section below what you guys like to do when you want to fill out your sketchbook, whether it's drawing fandom, like pop culture related things. Like for example, I've drawn a lot of video game characters, a lot of cartoon characters, and also a mix of different animals as well. And also my vacation photography that I like to do as well, where I took pictures of certain animals. So that was pretty cool to do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.